How to become a SHEIN ambassador. Being a SHEIN ambassador means that you can promote their products and earn a commission. Now here, they have some general requirements. First, to be eligible for this program or to be eligible to apply. Now first, you must be at least 18 years old or older. You must be enrolled in a university or college in the United States. So you need to be a United States resident and enrolled in a college and university, and you must be authorized to work in the United States. Now here, if you meet the requirements here, you can go ahead and participate, or if you have any questions, you can email them on this email compassscheingroup.com. Once you are eligible to enroll in this program, you can get a commission of up to $20 here, or a calculated rate of 3% of the total valid purchase order of the person that you recommended or that you promoted your link with. Of course, you will get a link that you can use, or you can get a referral code, so that when a customer is referred by your link or your referral code, you will be getting a commission if this customer finishes a purchase. And here the referral code is linked for 90 days only. And of course, some rules here that you are only allowed to promote SHEIN as a Compass ambassador, and you may not need your ambassador identity to promote SHEIN. And here, if you do not abide by the terms and conditions, they are free to terminate your ambassador ID. Now here, if you want to get or enroll in the ambassador program, you can email them to be able to enroll there. Now, something that you need to keep in mind is that you can only promote products, of course, sold by SHEIN themselves. You cannot promote external products or products that are referred to on SHEIN. And one thing to keep in mind is that if you are under 18 years old, you may not participate in using methods such as applying by the name of your parents may get your account terminated. Now, this is a great way to earn some extra money on the side if you are interested, or if you have a large circle of acquaintance who are interested in buying SHEIN products or are shopping online for products that are generally sold on SHEIN. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.